Hello, this is Puppet News and I am Fred. We are at Hogle Zoo and we are going to do animal reports today. Bye. Cut.
Hi, welcome to Puppet News. We're at the zoo. Elephants have reached puberty at 13 or 14. They have offspring up until they are around 50. Elephants cry, laugh, have good memory, and laugh and play. Elephants grieve at lost and still unborn family members. In many other cases, elephants feel like humans do. And there's elephants over there.
Good morning, and this is Bob Turner here with Puppet News of the Zoo. Siberian tigers are the world's largest cat. There are an estimated 400 to 500 Siberian tigers living in the wild, and recent studies suggest that these numbers are stable. There was once 8 tiger subspecies, but 3 became extinct during the 20th century. Tigers can use their distinctive coats as camouflage. No 2 tigers have the same stripes, and hunt by stealth. The World Bank, Smithsonian Institution, World Wildlife Fund, and officials from tiger-range countries have come together across borders to save the wild tiger from extinction. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We are here at the atrium. Looks like a forest. We're gonna go see some snakes and reptiles. And it's pretty here.
Hello, I am Fred, the news reporter. And what we got right here is a cottonmouth snake. And they are poisonous snakes. They will kill you with a bite, I think.
Look at this huge python. Very big. Isn't it just miraculous?
These tigers are amazing. They're actually looking at us like we're lunch. It's kind of funny. They would never hurt us though, unless we made them angry, of course. Good morning, tiger. I'm Bob Turner. You have beautiful footage. Beautiful.
We are looking at Patagonia rabbits. They're from South America. They look like rabbits, but indeed they are small rodents. Look at them. Aren't they cute?
We are here with the Western Lowland and great apes. One of the apes' name is Yoreke. It is a girl. It came from the Denver Zoo on September 21st, 2011. She arrived from Denver Zoo. Apes are not monkeys. Apes are more intelligent than monkeys. They can stand up to 6 feet tall and weigh over 400 pounds. The great apes are endangered by poachers, hunters, and they are just endangered. And I'll see you later.
These are the Siamese alligators. They're nearly extinct because people hunt them for their skin, which is horrible. Aren't they cute?
News. And here we have a cobra. And cobras are one of the few snakes that can spit venom, and they are very venomous. Their diet their diet has to contain of like rats and other rodents. And they love to just sit there and do nothing, as you can plainly see. And that is all that we have for this segment on Puppet News. Bye.
Bighorn sheep horns grow throughout their lifetime, and you can tell their age by the rings on their horns. The bighorn sheep is eating now. This is the gray wolf. Most wolves hunt in packs and take down small game like the sick or weak, or the young even. As you can see here, there are two wolves. They look like they want to eat me. Ah! I'm actually kind of scared. But luckily there's this fence here. He can't hurt us much.